Welcome to the official demo of ClipsMate AI. As you can see right here, it's very clean and intuitive. And we've got two different tabs to make it easy for you to access creating those scroll stopping videos, as well as Instagram Reels and TikTok Reels and other stuff as well. Now, you've got the start creating videos or the create your first template from scratch, which you can just do from scratch. Otherwise, you would use our templates that we keep adding every single day. That's one of the recent ones we just did as well. You can see right here. It's a scroll stopping. It's just something that we did in 2 seconds just to show you. The reason behind this app is basically to have these nice posts, videos on social media that grabs attention, makes people stop scrolling and press on your offer, your website, whatever it is that you posted and whatever you want them to do. This grabs their attention in relation to your niche, basically. Okay, as you can see right here, you got the knowledge base, you got the demo video, and we keep adding new questions and answers, Q&A, into the system to help you and assist you as you go. It's very easy, very straightforward, and you're gonna see it for yourself in a bit. First thing you would do is just create video, and then you can see all the different options and categories that we do have as templates right here. For example, in travel, we've got a bunch in premium, in Diwali, Holi, and even Thanksgiving, Christmas, Cyber Monday, etc. You can as well search it right here. The first time you actually go through it, it takes a bit to load. See, as you see here, they load, but then as you come in and you've seen this category before, it just loads faster. So for example, say we're on travel right now and they're loading. If you want to pick one of these templates and just tweak it, you can, or you can create your own from scratch. But let's say which one? This is really cool. I like that one. Let's customize that template. And it takes a bit to load in the beginning as the system gets used to your browser basically, and all these templates load in. Especially right now, we're at the stage where we're loading a lot into the system, so it takes a bit of time. The first step you would need to do is select a template, whether you want to do Insta, Facebook, or LinkedIn. The system will automatically adjust the sizes, the official sizes of these 3 different platforms. Now let's go with Instagram. The next thing I need to do is to select a layout below. So whether I want a normal post or a split post. A split post is where there's 2 posts up to each other. Like you see right here, there's like one post and a second post. These ones really are cool. I love them. They grab a lot of attention, and I would really want to go with a split one. So let's go with that, for example. And here you can start editing. There's multiple different options. You actually can hide social icons if you want, but why would you? Because you want to make it real, so that there's a post right here, and you want people to just stop scrolling, right? Here you can edit virtually anything. So say you want to edit the likes count, you can edit the likes count. The username, you can edit the username. Say you want to call it Faraz Alame, or it should be username. So Faraz Alame official. You can change and enter an image to the profile, so someone's image, whatever it is. Right here, you can change whatever is right here. I enjoy my vacations that awesome way every day. Okay, for example, you can edit anything. You can bold, for example, this one. You can do a lot of stuff. You can do sound effects. You can do dark mode or white mode. You can adjust the size, but you don't need to because the size is correct for Instagram right here. You basically can do all that. You can change the image to, say I want to do this one, and done, boom, and that's it. Then I go next, and that's where the magic happens. That's where the attention, like the scroll stopping feature that will be there. See, for example, this one, but I can actually remove it and put something else in there. For example, I can do, let's say, splashing. Okay, search. Let's see if there's something splashy or, uh, you know, for example, for vacation. Oh, I like that. You can just put this in. For example, it takes a bit to load at the beginning, like I said. Uh, but you can answer this instead of the one we have. Though the one we have is really cool because I'm just showing you that you can just replace it with anything else right there. For example, you see, and then people are still scrolling right there and they read, oh, I enjoy my vacation. And they're like, no, I mean, this is a post, this is a post. There's two posts right here, but where did this woman come from? And that's why it grabs your attention. It happened to me multiple different times, and it's why we created this amazing software that actually will cater to a lot of different needs that you need in your business. Okay, and say let's go. I'm just trying to do this very fast. You can enter in music into your post, or you can add your own if you have your own file. Or you can add one of these. You can search whatever we have right here, but let's just go with whatever right now. Okay, and then next, and we start rendering, and this is the post. Voila. Okay, now if you want to go through the make it from scratch, we have 3 different modules that you can use. Okay, as you can see right here, so it takes time to process. And then you can actually download it. There's a lot of different tools within as well where you can use AI. And I'm going to show you very quickly throughout the demo how AI can be used. This is magical. The tool is fabulous. Okay, let's go to create a video. And let's do it from scratch. Right here, as you can see, there's 3 different modules. You can do a social post video, you can do a scroll stopper, or you can do a story and reel, okay, which is best for TikTok videos, Instagram reels, Facebook stories, and YouTube shorts, okay? Let's go with, scroll stoppers because I like those. I really like those. Okay, and then it's gonna load. And you have 4 different ways of actually creating a scroll stopper that you can pick through. Now, the one we picked and did just before was this one, which is 1, 2. You can do 1, 2, 3 as well, or you can split them in that way. But I really like this one. It's just something that I really like. I'm gonna go with, let's say, okay, okay, let's go, boom. Okay, so this is, the size is adjusted already. You just pick which part of the size you really want. And then I can do, for example, nice, I like this one. Okay, boom, done. Now you have that split, for example. This is just for showcasing what you can do, but there's a lot to it. In the knowledge base, we can as well, change and probably use this one right here. I think I like that better. And then we go to next. Here's where you can add whatever you want to add into it. So swimming, for example, search. Okay. Or vacation. See. Like I said, it takes a bit in the beginning just to get everything accustomed on your browser. It takes a bit to load, but you can use all of that as well with AI within the system, which will show you later on within the full package and the upgrades. Okay, so vacation, for example, and there's this one right here. Let's use it. As it loads, And in the meantime, in a bit, we're gonna see the other one that was processing from uh, our originals. Okay, as you can see, this one has been added, and boom. So this is a post where we can take and create and outlet a social media post. Basically, there's a lot to it as well, as you can see right here. So this actually gets them while they're scrolling to actually stop and go. That's actually what's that post about, right? And boom, next, you pick whatever music you want to pick. Boom, next, and you start rendering as well. And it processes as the one previously. Now, we're gonna go to my videos right here, and I'm gonna show you, just it's loading a bit on my end. Okay, it's probably because it's processing. Okay, as you can see right here, this one is completed and that one is actually completed as well. They're taking a bit to load. Okay, boom. So got that one. Right here, as you can see, it's loading a bit. So yeah, it's loading. My system is actually loading. It's probably as well my Wi-Fi, but that's okay. As you can see, it's just loading on. Okay. So here we have Merry Christmas. Because we had this Merry Christmas voice over it. So imagine it's like a travel agency and it's doing like deals on Christmas. You can actually have that with Merry Christmas over it. Or you can use like a wintry kind of images for vacation to and use Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, etc. It's gonna say that same thing here, that because that's the quick music that we actually used right there. As well, I would like to show you something else as well. Let's do something from scratch right here, because as you see this video and demo, we are actually working on our AI portion of the app right now, which will stun you because it will allow you to actually create videos without having to create a video. So AI will help you doing all of that basically. So let's pick, for example, that portion. Okay, and let's pick an image right from here. Boom. Okay, we'll take the size in. Cool. And right here, you can search images as well right here, or you can upload your own and then go to next. Okay, right in here, you can, for example, place that dude right here. And I've obviously, as it says, watermark will be removed when you publish your video right here. Okay, and then you press on next and you'll be able to add music as we've done before as well. And then you go to next and you start rendering and processes as well. Here you can add some of your team members if you have a team and you want them to have access to create some of those videos. But I'm going to show you some of the examples that our team created which were actually amazing, and this is on the sales page. Okay, as you can see right here, this is one that we've created. This is a post, and look at that with a burger and all different. So imagine you're actually scrolling and you see this burger jumping over on this post, for example. We've got different ones as well right here, as you can see. And if you're scrolling through, they actually grab your attention and you would want to just press on these posts. We've got too many different uh, you know examples that we've posted and create ourselves and posted right here. Look, for example, this is a boring post and this is a 3D post right here. That's a simple text post, and then the 3D text post right here as well. You've got, this is a simple one, and that's how we changed it to that one, as you can see. And look at these posts: seasonal videos, Halloween posts, YT ads, 3D posts, engaging posts, eye-grabbing videos. It's just crazy, guys, and I think you see the power of this, and the reason we actually created it because we saw a need to it, especially when we started doing our own social media exposure and started helping as well our clients to use this method, because it was bringing them a lot of leads and a lot of new customers that are actually interested. But if it wasn't for these posts that grab the attention with the crowded bunch of posts from different companies and the algorithm, they would be obviously confused on what to pick. But with these attention grabbing posts, they come in and then they see all the options and they get on a call, and then the business scores that lead and new customer, right? Look at that. It's just amazing. It grabs the attention, it works, and it allows you to do a lot of stuff on social media, whether it's TikTok videos, Instagram videos, stories, YouTube shorts, creating posts, ad posts as well. It's just crazy. You will get the highest results. It's actually helping our clients and us to decrease the amount of money we pay on ads as well per click because of that, and increasing the engagement on these post ads basically, as well as organically. So this is it. There's a lot to it as well. A lot of different features that will be revealed in the different upgrades that we have in the system, and we reveal that as well within one of our bundle packages too. So I hope you enjoyed it. There's more videos coming inside the knowledge base.